Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ne janmet kala penlong ya jing thang momati si benta penrem ya ka Election Commission of India but ka jing tu vote jong ka Bharat Janata Party inong elam jo ka MPCC ne sengi la yulum kroi bat thang momati ha Congress bhawan penrem ya ka Election Commission but ki kambari jong ka BJP bantu vote habakren hagani ka jingelang ka balengkot na kaleng ginongelam joka Congress kila kentui ke pajba ke jela Meghalaya banyo snok tilang bandon ya ke jing sngo party bad ban penrem ya ke ni ke jingle jong ke seng BJP da ka ba pendon kam bakala ya ke Election Commission bad ye ke Vedic Central Agency tang banyo jing mentoi ya ladi
times regarding the impunity of the commission, particularly in relation to allegations against the Bharatiya Janata Party. Several reports and ground-level accounts suggest that the BJP, using its influence and resources, has manipulated voting processes, intimidated voters, and exploited loopholes in the electoral system. From the questionable handling of electronic voting machines to the suspicious transportation of machines without proper security, these incidents have raised alarm bells among opposition parties and citizens alike. The role of the Election Commission becomes crucial here, not merely as an observer, but as the constitutional guardian of democracy. When it fails to act swiftly and decisively against such malpractice, it sends a dangerous signal that powerful political forces can operate above the law. Allegations of selective action, turning a blind eye to blatant violations, and soft treatment towards the ruling party have eroded public trust. Democracy cannot survive on paper promises alone. It requires institutions that stand firm against the misuse of power. If the Election Commission remains silent or biased, it is not just votes that are stolen, it is the very voice of the people that is silenced. So India's democracy deserves better than manipulated mandates and compromised neutrality. So tonight, we are gathered here to protest against the very speech I've just given, and we're going to light a candle. I would request each and everyone to please come forward and light a candle.
Destroyed and being manipulated. Now, this compromises not just the Election Commission of India, but more importantly, it compromises the constitution of the country, because it is enshrined in the constitution that each and every person has the right to vote. Now, if your vote is taken away from you, if your epic is deleted from the electoral roll, that is a direct and frontal attack on the very foundation of the country's constitution. So therefore, we are all gathered here to lodge a very, very strong protest against the ruling dispensation at the center for whatever that it is doing. And I think most of us are also aware of what's being done, not just to the Election Commission of India, but all the important constitutional safeguards. For example, the media, the fourth pillar of democracy, has been made into a joke today. So much so that that a term has been coined, and the term that we all know and all familiar is Gudi media. And we're not just talking about the media, we're talking about all the other agencies like the CBI, like the ED, like many other central agencies. They are all being used by the ruling dispensation to attack the opposition, to weaken democracy, but most importantly, to trample the rights of the ordinary citizens of the country. So we are all gathered here because we feel very strongly, we feel that that if we do not stand up today, then who will stand up for the future? So I have got a daughter who is very, very young. I'm here not only for myself, but I'm here also for her, because I understand that if I don't speak up, if all of us don't speak up, who will speak up for the voiceless, for the people who cannot voice themselves at the moment? So please, I urge all the citizens of the state, in particular the citizens of Meghalaya, to come and join us. This is not about party politics. Please don't get it wrong. This is not about BJP and the Congress. This is not about the ruling dispensation and about the opposition. This is the very heart, the very essence of the Constitution. Today, we all enjoy our liberties, our freedom. Who is to guarantee, that 10 years from now, if things continue the way they are, who is to guarantee that we'll still enjoy the same liberties that we enjoy today? So this is not a very light issue. This is not about politics. This, like I said earlier, this is about the very heart and soul of democracy. So please, 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 come and join us. Come and join the fight, because this is what we need. All of us, irrespective of any political affiliation, we should come, participate, and engage and lodge our protest very, very strongly. Thank you.
Ni nakaliang cu kami Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee ni pelong kini ka kandel vigil kaba kumsi benta ban persya ya ka hucur ne ka bingong ba kecing sya kini no ya ka hok cungi hakani ka kabangli hakni ki si ka bala no ku leader bakti ku cungi Rahul Gandhi lepen lengba ka data pakai bauyo dekat Election Commission of India lengba kan riu benai kecing survey ngili ba sibun kecing satu no ya ka hok kecungi te ngayeng ni kerana besai kelong ba kini kamdai kata ka political king lani kata kabengin yo nong hagdi politics nrei kadai namta cungi kinong kinong way but way nong kinong India dan kini kepor ngi baleng bak data ngili lengba ki fact and figures ngili sibun ngila syak manipulit habang ipen lada ngayang niru kolong ba habang yung kani kamdai namta ka political king kecungi dari kadai namta ban yada man penek pensa ya ka constitution jukri India ban an penek pensa ya kata ka hok long try kecungi ban penek pensa ya kata ketin demokrasi ni bah kini kisni menta ka demokrasi kelas dang ban telot no daga jingle donbor habubun kilia dah ni kapor ngi hapo Karnataka kai ke balachia kolong ba taki lakmut taki laktili ki votes la satu no tegani ke dege wei ka bangi hapan mi syakmat nadu ki kun samla kilong keme kilong pa baro kani ke cingca kam simca ta hapo Karnataka kala banjia hapo Meghalaya kejungi kala pancah po Assam ni kisni belada menin kisni Rahul Gandhi udang ye kisya bat nyungut kita kibriu ki baka Election Commission kali ong kila ong bakila yang la igris naka voterless tukung kata cingja pedot ting shifting pawan ni Meghalaya jungi kala bandai East Khasi Hills kala bandai po Riphoy haman lagi districts kelada kumuni lada pun ni ni subuno ka BJP lane kono ka bedon ka bor kala bencop kala bensim kita kibut a pockets of food ni kendiat kalong ka ka ba bendu no ita ka hok long try ke cungi te kumta nakaliang ke cungi nakaliang ko Congress ni sim ni kini ni demand khmat cuk Election Commission baka penmi ban ai kita ka electoral vote in digital form nang babaro ngintem bagin ai ya kata ka sim kita kecil klik ba kita ban sim kita kecil klik kabakin wat tikna ban pensyai hadu mentang marsendap kecing icon press conference ko Rahul Gandhi without checking the facts claim check ya kena facts si penmi ba for social media yang misleading dari kempet ya ka data kim check ya fact and figures untuk ka decision kam dai penmi kapta dengan kerpan ba ni kecing protes kecungi hagani kisi menta kolong namenta ban safeguard constitution kecungi ban safeguard namata kalawe bat ikun semla bat kapateng jungkuri India hin berkowe